That's another win with the 2026 multi-purpose market. Okay, so you can actually see we just made some few coins here. So I'm just gonna reset these, yeah, and refresh, and I just want us to take just some few trades with the same robot and see how best the robot can actually perform. So we have this new robot, just click here. This new robot we call the 2026 multi-purpose markets, which is actually trading all the markets all the way from over 2, under 6, even, odd, under 6 and under 7. So those are the markets that this robot is actually using. So just click the global shared. I'll click that is target profit and stop loss guard. I'll set up my TP, my stop loss. I can leave it at that. Then go to the risk manager. I'm gonna stick risk management is the most important thing with this robot. I'm gonna stick 20. So under the risk manager, that's where you set up your stick, and the risk manager is just under the global shared. Then I'll close that. The next thing I'll do is click start, and let's see the performance. So the robot is now trading over 2. Once we lose, it will switch to under 6. You can actually see we have made a recovery. Yeah. So the moment you hit on a loss, the robot is switching to under 6. Once you make another loss, the robot switches to even. You can actually see that. In case you hit another loss, it switches to odd. And currently we are profiting at a profit of how many? $100. Wow, amazing. So I don't know why you're still not profitable. So this is what we got. That is on airightraders.co.ke. Just check the performance. We are almost hitting, that is our target profits of 200 USD. In the next few trades, recovery, amazing. Recover, good. And there we are, another TP of 200 US dollars. You really don't have to struggle to make money in binary trading. Just check. So the robot is trading, that is over 2. This is over 2. Where is my pen? Okay, let me use my pen. That is my mobile pen. So let me get it off. So this is over 2. This trade is on over 2, which was a loss. Then the robot switched to under 6, which was a loss. Then switched to even. Then in case we got a loss on this, the robot would have switched to odd. In case we get a loss on odd, the robot will switch to under 6. Once we get a loss on under 6, which is to under 7. So it's almost a guarantee by the end of the day you're gonna make a recovery. Just check the performance. So this robot is actually a multi-purpose, actually trading all the markets. So it's actually very simple. Just take, this is a over 2, then under 6, even. Next trade would have been on odd. You can actually see the performance. We took 50 trades, 34 wins and just 16 losses. So this is the robot. We call it that is a multi-purpose. If you just click here, it's called, that is the 2026 multi-purpose markets. So it actually trades all the markets. So if you click global shared, this is the stop trading. You can actually set up your stop loss here. So in this case, I have actually set it as 6 consecutive losses because we have 6 markets. You can set 6 or 5, yeah. Then click close that option. Then let's go to target profit and stop loss guard. This is how you set up your target profit, and this is how you set up your stop loss. Then click TP and stop loss guard to close that option. Then just go to the risk manager. This is how you set up your stick here. And the material, of course, we are using a material factor of 2. Then close that option. Those are the only things that you're supposed to set up. That is under this. That's what you're only supposed to set up. Now, let me explain in details how the robot is actually working. If you check here, we have how many markets? We have 6 markets. Market 1, market 2, all the way to market 6. So market 1 is over 2. This one is under 6, even, odd, under 6, under 7. So these are recovery markets. Okay, if you open here, you can actually, and go to trade definitions, you can actually see this is over 2. Let me close that. Go to market 2, click trade definitions. You can actually see this is under 6. Okay, these are recovery markets. If you go to like market 6, the last one, you can actually see, go to the risk manager. You can actually not risk manager but trade definitions. You can actually see this is under 7. Okay, so Then all those markets, if you go to the market switcher, you can actually see we have enabled market switching, but we're only switching to make a recovery. So like the more robot will be trading over 2, in case we lose switches to under 6, in case we recover it will get back to the default market, which is market 1, which is trading that is under 6. So using this robot is very, very simple because you don't need to do any analysis. The robot is trading all the markets, so even Deriv will not be understanding what is really happening because you are actually trading all the robots at a speed of 1 tick, all the market at a speed of 1 tick. Yeah, so you only need to set up whatever we have under the global shared, that is the stop loss, the target profit, and the stick. Then everything else becomes goes fine. Just make sure you have good risk management and everything will gonna work out. That's how we made $200. You had also taken on that trade, made some, I think almost $200. So with the same robot I managed to make like almost like 400. So yeah, okay, it's good. Yeah, so to actually get this, all you need to do is just get on your browser and just search for Airite traders like that, then search. And if you search Airite traders, okay, let me repeat again, Airite traders, like that. Here it is, the first one. So you just need to search Airite traders and you'll actually get it here. Then once you open, in case you want to join our community, we have this icon here. Just click there, then you can join our WhatsApp channel, our Telegram channel. So from next week, we'll actually be doing some classes on how you can actually be able to take on the binary markets, how you can actually be able to use our advanced speed robots, how you can actually be able to do our analysis, use the scanners. We'll actually be doing the classes on Telegram. So make sure you join these 2 platforms. Namaboyo te ikue iko best. Goodbye, man.